In this video, how to reset Windows 11. Click on the Start button in the taskbar, and then click on the Settings. In the Settings window, click on System from the options. On the left-hand side, select Recovery from the menu. Under the Recovery Options section, click on the Reset PC button. A new window will appear. Click on the Get Started button under the Reset This PC section. You'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files. This option will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove Everything. This option will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. If you want a complete factory reset, choose Remove Everything. Windows will display a summary of the actions to be taken. Review the information, and if you're sure, click on the Reset button. Your PC will then go through the reset process. It might take a while, and your PC will restart multiple times. Language and region. Choose your preferred language, region, and keyboard layout from the options provided. Please review the license agreement. Click on Skip for now. Set up for personal use and have full control over this device. Click Sign Up button. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account associated with your PC, you can sign in with it. This will sync your settings, preferences, and apps across devices. Click on Skip for now. Click on Skip. Set up a PIN. Confirm PIN. And press OK. Click on Skip. Let Microsoft and apps use your location. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft. Improve inking and typing. Click Yes. Get tailored experiences with diagnostic data. Click No and press Accept button.